Oh yeah, no be some say friend me saying. Nam so a friend me boache jako. When must me free no buy. It be Asante man kill him. And or chin them net to kasa.
Ya two.
All the 6 or 8 bullets entered and came from my back.
Ya two.
Me count 9.
Nice GH.
You observe, sir. I mean, Cassim show. Asante said, and net Assembly Amatia knows us, Asante, a bray in the Asante, a bray in your neck. Among your force as fire swinging me. Story, I see and meet Asempa. Among my bottom, like my bottom, and then maybe more 2 stories, me no knows Asante. Say Asante, and your neck. Na, Ebusia, you could see first story. Ah, my honority, Asempa FM, you could see.
Na underground politics near ye moves so ha near your operations so ha me really go na me Mr. Kwampi he had been training, he's trained me. Victor said ne papa enko ye adwuma
Achina ASANTEHENE
wo fa se achina tibene ne koye adwuma, and he trained me. Ye kure mo ba kai say November 83, was it 82? And there was a coup attempt. And he achieved Kwame Tum. He was jailed for 18, sentenced to 18 years. Kwame Demu 10 years. And Sana, ye ba politics ye man amnesty jano. Me sa after sa coup no, a branty and nisu a share menu. And ne na me nam ha, a china no room ha. Say ni na ne ni shemyu. Jiwanum coup no. In the operations, and a soldier for Chemi war just after broadcasting house. Omo Chemi, enya jakuni. Mankasa. Sa time no so car me drive na company ne car Peugeot 504 white. Then one of the officers, Minino, got on the radio. Nipo ne kasa na sama o kachen say yes we have him. Then he told the other, they said we should send him to Air Force Station, Meadow Junction Air Force Station. And he bundled me into an armored personnel carrier. And who me could through Meadow Junction and almost see me. She said to be transferred to. Almost see me now, me senior boy be. Me call from 1 or from 5. Captain George Pattington, yeah, friend Alaji.
Pattington.
Tell me who ran and say, oh, wait there. For to Benqua. Nam say Alaji. Oh, him and him, they know catch their boys and go and make mincemeat out of him. Hey, Messinia. Mona Missuniama. Dear Maya. And he tam me a demico share Renault. The sa gear. Blue, light blue. The meme were chiri. In the middle of 2 armed guards, and a driver no beat the front. And the instructions in the bar, you know.
Asempa FM.
What could I do? And when I started say allowed me bomb pie. Now strangely, empire me bono, na me bo in Krobo. Nutria na brofo. I was praying in Krobo. And the a while and the front no. Obisa say mini clonojolo
We Krobunian.
Nam say clonoje. George, who free him cloje. Nita o oduma say Christian quarters. E wa no mu nyina de omu sagu omu ti. Man. Oh God. The jami enyeji. They will have to answer for it. Too quickly they drove me to Air Force Station and home so omni nkrofobi dim kobo. Me drew ha ye yi me siri free camera na ye de me ko tare pan ho. Then an officer came and stood in front of me. I said, Odimi didn't come on interrogating me. Na said the Ojijina ha order done. When I'm said, Man Shedechi. Said that 2 soldiers with their guns were set on me. And the oil or balance it and yeah no bisa say friend me say. Nam so a friend me boache jako. When must me free and buy. It be Asante man kill him. And not chain. Ochin hunda dem ne tuyakasa.
Ya two.
All the 6 or 8 bullets entered and came from my back.
Ya two.
Me count 9. And the form team. Nyami obe o nyami oshirawa no oshirawa. Me tall from no. Then I crawled into a room. Dead bodies. Me dawana boy bi ananko ye juma e wo Legon Hall annex 2 oye cleaner e very na wuku. But ojai call army. Odimere kaba no yi me shirt. And exit wound no. Or more shirt and the pushy shape to slow down the bleeding. Timi dawa na jambeta si yenyina e de call. What do I know? That time na me
down
amongst the other bodies. I was told that we were 49 shot on that day.
No?
I was the only survivor. Trauma time we straight to 37 military hospital mortuary. Na omo tagi yeno. Ena mi cheme na. And sana nurse okro no hu say, "Hey, asemasi onui." Trauma time me two trailer so. Ena dese. De me kaya ne say, me bisa ma me nurse ne say, your friend is say. And also your friend no Lily Tamaklu. And I'm sure me mama your friend no Jane Ejako. Na ha not. Into Miss Rawako catch and say Asamoah Atumi. And the woman assured me said nothing will happen to you. To me call receiving a year of the theater. Me could do or na me classmate Chester Anitex in the Chester was the doctor on duty. Onukra who was South Africa. Hey Torino. And Uncle Frey, Dr. Lieutenant Colonel Akpalu, the surgeon on duty, no only Dr. Asari been a year operate, and Akpalu by no. So Akpalu started working. Menaya Akpalu na catch and said, I dare not give you anesthesia. Mema anesthesia that would kill you. So they started operating without the anesthesia. Na kikri. They put me in the recovery, but I was told, said the instruction was that if after a certain number of hours man revive what, then come back to much. Luckily, not Major Okwe. Professor Okwe was the head nurse on duty. On your bomb, the kakra sa na miniti and omside the call ward. The next day. Now, Suma soldier for say, "I'm a free hospital." Ho, and Monsieur Levallois no say, "Hineha, empty." Now, me senior, another senior, Pata Donko, no come. And kakra. Look, I was in hospital for almost 3 months, 2.5 months. Are you useless? Dr. Akpalu never catch me say, "Hey, as soon as I discharge you, get the hell out of this country. They'll come for you again." Hey, Aboni Benkwana, Mayentia. Anyway, what can and arranging people? So I went to France first with the help of Monsieur Levallois, French. Chargé d'affaires.
Asempa FM.
Me call France near the me call Comed. Ya ko share me with Comed. And sana, my sister said they be yanko US. And they me call US. So February 84, I was admitted at Yale New Haven Hospital and operated on again. Nibi de kakra sa ansana minantie no estati seba ansana mahode. So for 2 years I was not my just minyanipa. Me call no so no politics ma nyanto nchen. You can ask anybody. I started all the foreign branches of MPP.
Foreign?
Yes, North America, USA, Canada, France, Brussels, Nina. we're a small team. Na the am yan say omo ameni omo share adwuma na se ebre en na ye bodin ye mom din
omo tiase
o bi
Oti na chese wo hwa Asante a eso ni din so ntinka ye body to ade ekum because we Asante ni Asante bre ye ne kra nti so nti so se oye like nti se oye Asante ni dia na chese why body eh Asante ye bre ye ne na nanoma bre pa ama ade we anyina ba bedru de fe se obi ewa bochime mu ne threatening no say waka asem bi na asem na okan ye no just because waka Kofi Adoma won ni asem nti no omo nti bi do mo bo ne ho po say anhwe ya de ombe ye no pacho de kuti ye kuti second story no yembra
Minianum Ghana for 82 and Minian Asante for Asante my free year. So yesterday I went to church and something dramatic happened that I would like to share with you. And Ramekwa story, and one elder that I respect so much called me and we stood at the corner. He wanted to have a pep talk with me. So yeah, Kasano, apparently the man had called me 2 weeks ago asking that we talk. And Mekachan said onti hun chemin also yeshia. So yesterday we met and I thought to be a different issue be minima the crown of Babeka Wasem. Only for him to tell me, say, Kwame Wumi, I live in Europe, I'm in France, city Amitimno. A section of Yenuanom Bonophobia no Mateha. And then or Massa Masman said, Omramekan. So on the Oson Krantini Komumbu, he had been asked to deliver a message to me, so he came to convey the message to me. Now, some Tintin in the Titi and say, Bonofo now Mukoshia and ya Bonofo now, a section of them. Nipa bi abe minimum number. Omakoshia baby, they've had a meeting and conspired. And Omesi Jinaye ko Omesi ni di omonkwan enim. But they're just relaying an information through the man to me say, me niema me ye no social media no. Minjai. Oma hwe niema bi a me ye social media. I am disrespecting Bonofo. Enti minjai. Na me njaya. Omo there is like Oma for mo ho adwen, they know what to do. As to what they know to do, need your man opinion so intimate. But oh yeah, they know be catchers when Jaya or they were fan of it can never be something positive, it can never be something refreshing. So Sabin Periasa or Bakwasiakran himself upon it to actually abing. You don't need a rocket science knowledge to understand, say, oh yeah, they know be so impinted, and yes sir, no can be anything. So the man told me this, and I asked him, say, Openi, Asembi anti Asijan in Chimoso. Sa Bonofo na mo frɛ wɔ na ɔmo de asɛm yusuma wɔ no ɔmo nyina so pɔte ne sɛ ɔmo se de na maye and also ɔmo de me videos bi send no but unfortunately panyin no need TikTok so video no links no de send no so I asked him to forward those links to me on my phone so that you better tap it na direct ya kosa video no. Fortunately for me videos been so almost sending and back I was talking about Nana Jamba Samba Jafla Sampans and some court recently. Yebua said, Bono House of Chiefs, and forwarding and Kratan and Gazette or National House of Chiefs. I explained what the court ruling was. And a second video was, I think, about court support and Ayekunu in Swatreno, which I explained. Say, Mentia says the Intia said there be a football hooligans in Bessia, Bono area honing the doors because, and I made references and some Kenyan a fact. Kotokwa Diana Yabono, Brekum Chelsea Yabono. Time and Abrikum as now near Bomo Bofo the same thing. And on Makun Swatan Yakubi Yakukot was supporter. I was in Important, which is around a Bono area. And then the third one was, I think, about Kofi Adoma when in Sema Ako Sir Oko Kova or Mafashebia Yaboni 2 and Nimeno. According to Kofi Adoma Ankasayre, any Bononi blogger be a friend, Magraheb or more cassette, none of my never since we're Chinani and Fano. And Miss Mamma can't be no me videos are mechana macbo. And see, it's not like Bosim can't be a Sabi, cry me to me. Me were bonoform pennyphobia, my name, my wife, you know, more very good rapport. So I would on no occasion disrespect Bonofo. Name on Bonofoni binoma, that be I use that word Bonofoni binum on social media no. Or my dear ASANTEHENE Asante for attempts are no. And then I'm a ban, I responded to them. Enti me catch up in the video see o ma send am away. There is no way in the video I made the bununi bi otikum hatem. 2, I only responded to things that are akoso. I'm a social commentator, I'm a blogger. And as a social commentator, I'm your mind bapano. And somebody me feel say edika na some dem anutu make bi. Oh the any say bia won kasa, that's your choice. But some me come asama me medi watem. Ti say asam no netinti ni tete and say they are very very much agitated with the fact that men's man make kanomon paint no opinion ne menkasa. And opinion de utie ne kasa ma asana ne yem ehhehye ne mame. And I'm catching opinion say on kana come anto ne yem. Hwinsi asembia mai. Now, at this juncture, I would like to say this. Opinion catch me say, we the anya benum komo. Opinion, and yes, I may disrespect you. But as some way in your concern, I be here. We the asam nom the asma. And since my name so much me video no, I am using this medium to send my response to them. If we are say, so we are the no be so on pet. We are the now can't some no business near and Jehua. Yes, say we nipa we and say ujitum or swallow pride now be patcho na akumato yemo ba mpanyisa no bebre ma ba to enu nti say ensema maka the videos amaye. I mean my reaction towards some of the things amunia no mbono phone bi on social media omoye no sama makoma sorry na mabu afu a I am here to say munya hu hwe. I'm just getting myself warmed up. Sana ya mo say me ba be kasa me pamochewa Mother Montimoni. I'm not mentioning words. Only many ase. Mo who so be ho. There be a mekase krona mu ram na mwacha mo pen ram no bi asisi nya wo ho. Na fulani ni ba nso de mfa ne ntwa be hwehwa no. Kumasi di chamsu ni ba. Matna zongo. Mother Conti. 8 semesters. Je na mba kire mo be hwehwa me. Me ye hwehwa me. Me ye ndem me say we say me o say mema mo ya mahwe. So you people can go to hell and do your worst. Some of us are yenye tribal bigot. I have no reason to be a tribal bigot because of entity. Any baby a woman entity I can never be one. If you are a woman entity, the chance you never for any boom. So I have this special bond with nothingness.
I feel ye me who sa de no enye fedi agro. I feel me who say we are something that's one hwe mpo a obi betimi an de. Aha. It's really feel free now to share why maybe I also encounter the same experience be waiting here share or comment section. Yes, so me subscribe button no. Let me a notification so that be a me drop video be on sabiti me share or comment section what you see here. Yanko me that's it.